Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Dito lang po yung lingkod para bigyan ka ng isang soulful, meaningful na tarot reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi na bangalan sinasubaybay ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Ang ating pong pagsasamahan ngayon na reading ay isang bonus reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Leo. Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you. Takes what only resonates. And all of our cross watchers, you are also welcome na papanood po ang ating video. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great. I hope you're safe, you're healthy, and of course, you're happy. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal sa inyong lingkod. Maraming salamat po. Sige, ulitin ko, this is for you, mga pinakamahal kong Leo na soulmate, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel, at pag gusto niyo po, di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe. And if you're watching this in our TikTok account, paki-follow na lang po. And kapag gusto niyo po mag-avail ng ating personal reading, mag-direct message na lang po kayo sa ating TikTok account, Renzo Tarot 444. Sige, last shuffle for you, Leo, at kunin na natin ang isang pong baraha, ha? Sige, Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael, give me 10 cards please for Leo. Sige. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael, last 6 cards please for Leo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, suporta at pagmamahal. Simula noon hanggang ngayon ay hindi niyo po iniwan ang inyong lingkod. Maraming salamat po. Utang na loob ko po sa inyo kung saan man po makarating ang Renzo Tarot Channel. Okay? So, Leo, your 10 cards are now complete. Huwag na natin patagalin pa because I know that you're so excited. Let's lock these cards and let's begin your bonus reading with your first card, Knight of Wands. So, Leo, maybe naging busy ka lately, nakaraan sa kakatrabaho, kakagawa, kakaasikaso ng papers or maybe application or whatever is that regarding with your career, job, studies, ayan yung tatlong pyramids na yan. So, if you're waiting for a result, expect a positive result. Bakit? Unang baraha pa lang, bakit sinabi agad na positive? Although nakataon pa po ang ating 9 na cards, I can feel a very good, very positive energy here. Titingnan natin. But this is about communication. Check yung email nyo, check your inboxes in upcoming days ahead because I can see here a good news that is going to unfold for you. So, with this 9 of Wands, so expect good news related sa mga trinabaho nyo, pinaghirapan nyo, maybe exam or promotion, visa approval, basta regarding sa papers na trinabaho lately. So, expect a very good result. Pangalawa is the Queen of Wands. So, maturity here, transformation for you, Leo. I'm so happy because maraming Leo ngayon parang nagmamature na. Kung dati parang isip bata, parang padalos-dalos sa mga ginagawang mga desisyon, I can see here na talagang natuto na sila. They are now taking the path of maturity. So, maganda talaga ito kasi Leo, hindi pwedeng sa mga desisyon natin ay pabara-bara o dahil nagustuhan natin, ang maisipan lang natin ay gagawin natin. So, this is not the best time for you to, kumbaga, parang laro lang ang lahat. So, Leo, I can see here or there's an advice for you here to fully grown up. Okay, mag-matured na. Kasi Leo, although ruler mo si Sun, I know that you're a very jolly person. You're a very good person in terms of your intentions with your heart. But I can see here na talagang kailangan mo na mag-level up in terms of your emotions, in terms of mga pag-uugali, mga mindset mo. Level up mo na ito. So, kailangan mo talagang baguhin ito or i-transform ito for the betterment. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Pangatlo is the World card. Something new is about to open for you, Leo, whether you like it or not. So, the universe is preparing something good, something big for you that is you're going to start from the scratch. Sisimula ka na naman muli. So, hindi ibig sabihin dahil simula naman from the start to from the top to bottom doesn't mean na babagsak ka. But what I'm saying is this new world na magbubukas sa'yo is parang dito ka talaga align, dito talaga makikita ang galing mo, dito mo may papakita kung sino ka talaga. You're not going to hide this anymore. Maybe may mga talents ka, may mga skills ka na talaga tinagaw mo for a long time. With these new gifts, with this new opportunity that will be offered for you or talagang masusunggaban mo or ma-discover mo with this World card, something something new, something fresh is about to open for your life. Okay? And with itong bago na to ay dito ka magiging masaya, dito ka magiging contented. It's because parang magiging malaya ka and express ang sarili mo kung ano talagang gusto mo. Hindi tulad ng current situation mo na parang medyo nasasakal ka. Although okay naman, but you're not happy. It's because you're longing for something. Parang may hinahanap ka talaga na parang something na kulang sa puso mo. Okay? So, with this world card, expect a new beginning for you, Leo. In the upcoming days, siguro, lilipat ka ng trabaho, lilipat ka ng lugar, or any kind, magbubukas ka ng business na dream job mo, dream business mo ito, or any kind of something new and fresh for you, Leo, ay bubuksan mo. Okay? Fourth card, Empress. So, Leo, nakikita ko dito may mga Leo na nagpaplano na i-improve ang kanilang looks, physical looks. Nag-isip ka daw, Leo, na parang magpalit ng hairstyle, hair color, magpagupit, magpapayat, magparitoke, or any kind of thing na parang something fresh. Babaguhin mo yung fashion sense mo, babaguhin mo yung taste mo sa pananamit, sa any kind, maring sa color, sa hair color, sa makeup, okay? And I can see here also, na-feel kong energy dito dahil makasunod sila ng world card. Baka may layer dito na if you're planning or you're expecting to be pregnant this year, Leo, this is a good news for you. May mabubuntis ako. Sorry. May mabubuntis na Leo na akong nakikita dito. Sorry, hindi yung ako makakabuntis ha. Sorry. So, Leo, you're planning to get pregnant. So, expect pregnancy this year with the Empress and the World card. So, something new, panibagong kadagdagan ng members of the family. So, this is you, Leo. It's all about deals. This Empress card deals about your body, physical body. So, congratulations in advance kung nagpaplano kayo mabuntis or may mga mabubuntis na Leo this year. Panglima mong baraha, Leo, para sa yung bonus reading is the Six of Swords. So, there are some Leo na magiging matapang, talagang gagawa na ng paraan, gagawa na ng action para lumayo na sa isang sitwasyon na hindi na healthy or hindi na nakakatulong sa'yo. It's very toxic to the point na talagang parang nag-hold on ka lang kasi wala kang choice. But I can see here, if you're thinking of moving away, so this is the best sign kung mapanood mong video na to na lumayo ka na dyan. Huwag mo nang patagalin pa or talagang kailangan mo nang gumawa ng paraan, ng aksyon para ilayo ang sarili mo sa toxic or unhealthy relationship, friendship, workplace, kung ano man yan, mga bad habits, mga bisyo na talagang nagpupul sa'yo, humihila sa'yo para mag-grow as a person. So, Leo, please, tigilan na yan, tapusin na yan, lumayo ka na dyan for you to totally move forward and talagang to totally grow and develop yourself, your potential, kasi may potential ka, hindi mo lang mailabas-labas kasi nahihila ka nitong mga negativities and toxicities na sa current situation mo. Okay? Leo, before we proceed to our second row, which is the last 5 cards, ulitin ko, kapag di po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe po. And at the same time, kapag napapanood nyo po ito sa TikTok, please follow my TikTok account, Renzo Taro 444. At mag-message po kayo sa ating TikTok account kapag interesado po kayo mag-avail ng ating personal reading. Okay? Ito very low cost. Murang-mura lang po. Very affordable. Huwag po kayong mahiya magtanong. Okay? So, for your 6 cards sa yung bonus reading, Leo, Queen of Swords. Ito na. Unstoppable. Wala nang makakapigil sa mga Leo. Talagang sinabi ko nga, level up na. Go out of your comfort zone. Pakita mo na kung sino ka. Ang totoong ikaw. Hindi mo kailangan ipaliwanag ang sarili mo sa ibang tao. You don't need to explain yourself. You don't need to express apologies. Okay? So, you need to make a way. Panindigan mo. Kung sinabi mo, talagang ako ito. Bahala kayo. Hindi ko na kailangan talagang i-consider ang feelings ng iba. Kasi for a long time, Leo, parang you always tapos na yung mga panahon na laging you are pleasing other people. So you need to focus on your own energy. You need to have time for yourself at the same time. Talagang ikaw na, sarili mo naman. So wag mo na isipin mo na ibang tao. Kung anong feeling mo makakapagpasaya sa'yo, gawin mo. Ikaw ang may makakapag-desisyon niyan. So walang pwedeng makialam, hindi ka pwedeng pakialaman or ma-pressure sa ibang tao. You need to be decisive, you need to be brave, you need to pakita mo talaga kung anong nasa isip mo, gawin mo, kung sino ka. So panindigan mo ito, Leo. Ang kita mong baraha, buti na lang nag-reverse, bumaliktad, Devil. Okay? So, Leo, baka lately, aware ka ha, magdoble ingat ka kasi baka may mga taong aware ka na sa nasa paligid, na parang nagbabalak ng masama sa'yo or parang hindi maganda yung tingin sa'yo, sinisiraan ka, whatsoever. Buti na lang, bumaliktad siya. So, huminga ka ng malalim kasi hindi naman ito masamang baraha. Although devil is a bad card, but dahil nag-reverse siya, so whatever plans they have for you, kung ano man iniisip nila na hindi maganda plano, mga salita, bad wishes will not succeed or hindi magtatalab sa'yo. Okay? So babalik ito sa kanila. So dito magkatapos sa Queen of Wands. So you are divinely protected, karmic sign din yung Leo. So, whatever bad intentions, bad wishes na sabihin nila sa'yo or ibato nila sa'yo, ay magbabounce back ito sa kanila. Buti na lang bumaliktad ang devil. So, humingi ng malalim, huwag matakot. Okay? So, normal, but at the same time, samahan ng pagiging mapagmatsyag or matalino, huwag magtitiwala sa mga tao basta-basta. 8 card mo. Ito na. Connected talaga. The world, something is about to open for you. Di ba sinabi ko? New chapter of your life will be opening for you. So, ito talaga. Offer, tulong. May i-offer talaga sa maybe business, new job offer, any kind of pwedeng pagkakitaan, pwedeng related sa career or sa job, moving to other place or whatsoever. So, pag-isipan mo mabuti, ihanda mo ang sarili mo talaga, Leo. Talagang meron talagang darating para sa'yo na i-offer. Okay, job offer, promotion, o kung ano man to, maybe side hustle regarding business. So, claim mo na ito. So, pag-decision mo talaga ito mabuti. But, ito connected ito dito sa world card, nakatapat nila something new, sabi ko, bagong mundo, bagong chapter na talagang papasukin mo at talagang magbubukas para sa'yo. Okay? So, pang-siyamong baraha para sa yung bonus reading, Leo, ay Page of Pentacles. Look at this one. So, expect stability in terms of finances. Leo, kung lately, I know hindi naman talaga kinukulang kayo. Meron naman kayong source of income, may business naman kayo. But lately, parang gusto mo pa ng mas marami. Gusto mo pang madagdagan kasi you want to save. Of course, may pinaglalaanan ka, may gusto kang bilhin. Or maybe you're thinking in the future na kapag medyo matumal or parang medyo hindi maganda yung sitwasyon, may madudukot ka. So, with this Page of Pentacles, expect stability. Maganda ang daloy, maganda magiging katayuan ng financial situation mo. Expect more blessings to come. Worry, less worry. Worry no more in terms kung pera pag-usapan. Kapag may mga expenses na pwedeng pagkasusan, magagawan mo ng paraan or talagang kumbaga may solusyon naman. Yung hindi yung parang problema talaga kung saan kukuha ng pera. Okay? 10th and last card mula yung sa ating bonus reading. Tapusin natin ito with the 6 of Wands. Leadership, promotion, good news, following. May mga Leo na mapopromote. May mga Leo na maaring you are seeking, you're planning to seek into higher position, elevation about your current promotion, leadership siguro ngayong election this year may tatakbong ang Leo sa barangay elections or any kind of election, so expect a good result about it. So talagang may something na may ililid ka, may papamahalaan ka or may kokontrolin ka, maybe manager, business owner, boss, okay, team leader, supervisor, school head, kung ano man yan, something about elevation and position. Expect mo ito, i-claim mo na ito, Leo, kung talaga nagpaplano ka dyan or minamanifest mo yung mga sinabi ko. Okay? Ang katapat niya is 6 of Swords. Handa mo rin ang sarili mo sa pamamagitan ng pagpapalaya ng yung sarili sa mga toxic situation, mga negative thoughts and habits or kung ano man na talagang humihila sa iyo para mag-grow. All in all, this is a very beautiful reading, Leo. I hope and I pray na marami nasasaya ng Leo ang makapanood nito. I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much, Leo, kong soulmate sa muling pagsama. Kapag di pa kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe sa ating TikTok account. Kapag napanood nyo to, please follow and send me a direct message. I-chat nyo po ako sa TikTok kapag gusto nyo pong mag-avail ng ating personal reading. Thank you so much, mga Leo kong soulmates. Mag-ingat kayo lagi. Nasa mga kayo ngayon naroon. God bless us all.